You can use your PSVR without a TV, and it's actually awesome? The brief reply is that you could, and also you need not do something completely different to get the peripheral connected. You may simply skip a single cable connection. Here is what to do. Energy off and unplug your PlayStation 4 or 5. Join the PlayStation digital camera to the port on the again of your console. For those who are utilizing PSVR with a PlayStation 5 console, you will have a free PlayStation camera adapter from Sony. Discover an appropriate place on your PlayStation digital camera, the place it'll see you when you're enjoying. Not having a TV to place the Digicam on high or an entrance of is the opposite main distinction. Sony recommends it's about 4.5 toes from the ground and 6 toes away from the place you are standing or sitting. You must keep away from placing it on the ground to ensure it may correctly register the lights in your VR headset and controllers, and would not turn out to be a tripping hazard. As a substitute, you'll be able to put it on a desk, or chair. Join the processor unit to your console with an HDMI cable, plugging it into the HDMI PS4 port on the again of the field. You possibly can depart the HDMI TV port open, that is the one distinction in the way you arrange PSVR and not using a TV. Run a cable between the micro USB port on the again of the processor unit and a USB port on the entrance of the console. Join the facility twine into the PSVR's AC adapter, after which join the cable to the again of the processor unit. Plug the facility twine into an outlet. Join the two cables from the PSVR headset to the entrance of the processor unit. This step is completely different relying on your PlayStation VR mannequin. VR 1, slide the correct facet of the processor unit again to disclose the ports, join the cables, after which slide the compartment ahead once more. Join the opposite finish of the cable to the one coming off of the headset. VR 2, plug the cables from the headset into the ports on the entrance of the processor unit. Remember to match the symbols on the cables to those above the ports, triangle and circle for the left, X and square for the correct. Plug your console again in, after which flip it on. Put in your PSVR headset and press the energy button. To regulate the Digicam settings, go to Settings Gadgets PlayStation VR Modify PS Digital Camera. What do I want for PlayStation VR? Whereas the TV is not obligatory to make use of Sony's digital actuality system, you want a number of different issues. First, you may want a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console, with a Digicam adapter for the PS5, to attach it to. In contrast to some standalone VR techniques just like the Oculus Go, PSVR wants an exterior system to deal with graphics and processing. In case your VR set would not include transfer movement controllers, you may additionally want a set of these to play some, however not all, appropriate video games. Some titles solely want the usual DualShock 4 or DualSense controllers that got here with the consoles, and the Digicam makes use of the lights they emit to detect movement. You do not want non-obligatory equipment just like the PlayStation Transfer Sharpshooter, which is plastic housing for the controllers that make you a feeling such as you're holding a gun. These might be good for immersion, however they don't seem to be obligatory for video games to work. So far as a room goes, you may want an open space with nothing you would possibly journey over or hit when you're enjoying. It may be simple to get circled when you're enjoying a VR recreation, so that you need to put aside as a lot house as doable. Ideally, you may have 6 toes on each facet. Do you want a good TV for VR? As a result of the TV is finally non-obligatory for PSVR, the standard would not matter. Massive show will profit you should you're enjoying VR video games with associates and need them to see what is going on when you play. In any other case, everything shall be on the display screen within the headset, which works whether or not a TV is related or not. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.